Hi there, it's Patricia from Play and Create. Today we have an experiment where we're going to do something really fun with water, and it's very easy. I can't wait to show you. Don't forget to subscribe so you keep up to date on all of our amazing activities. All right, let's get on to today's adventure. All right, let's get going on this experiment. We'll go through the supplies first. 7 cups, empty cups. They should ideally be clear. They can be plastic or glass. I prefer the glass so that they're not easily tipped over because we will be adding water to some of them. So of course you need water. Then we need 3 different colors of food coloring. We need red, yellow, and blue. The next thing we need is a spoon or something to stir our colors in that water. You need a cloth so you can wipe off between each color. Then you also need 6 paper towels. Now, I have pre-folded 5 of them. I'm going to show you how you do the other one. Take your paper towel. Now, it depends on the size of your paper towel and also how high your cups are. But you take the paper towel and you fold it in half and half again, and then as many times as you need, fold it in half so that you get a fairly thin strip, and then you're going to fold it in half the other direction. Okay, and we'll get to how we use those in a moment. All right, now that we have our supplies in order, let's start the experiment. So I'm going to label these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to fill number 1 half full with plain water. Number 3 also half full. Number 5, and last but not least, number 7 half full. All right, we can set that water to the side. Now we're going to add our food coloring. I'm going to start with red, and you add about 5 drops to the first cup. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, had an extra one there. Don't worry about that. Just approximately 5. And then I'm going to add 5 yellow to number 3. Number 5, 5 blue drops. 4, 5. And this last one, I'm going to grab the red again and add 5 drops to that one. All right, 5 drops to number 7. Now I need to stir these up in the water to make sure they're well mixed. So I'll take my spoon, I'll stir number 1. I'm going to wipe between each one so I don't transfer, cross-contaminate. If you want the science word for that. All right, yellow's done. There's blue. And last but not least, the final red. All right, one final step to go, and that's to place these paper towels that are already pre-folded. Now, this is perfect for the height and size of my paper towel because I don't want it to be up too high. So I'm going to put these in here. And so if you need to make them the right size, then just take some scissors and cut off there if you need to. Okay, but these are just right. Now I'm going from the red to the empty cup. Then I'm going to go from the empty cup to the yellow, yellow to empty, empty to blue, blue to empty, and last but not least, empty to red. All right, so everything is all set up. This does take a bit of a time to complete. All right, so you might decide to do this in the evening, for example, and then when everybody wakes up in the morning, they can see the results. Or my favorite would be to do it in the morning and then let it sit throughout the day. Check in periodically to see what will happen. You can have a little competition. How long do you think it will take for the experiment to complete, and see who has guessed that time correctly or the closest to that time? You can do your hypothesis. That's where you take a good educated guess of what you think is going to happen and see if that is correct. All right, and here are our final results. Red and yellow mixed together to make orange. Yellow and blue mixed together made green, and then blue and red mixed together to make purple. We started out with the three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and ended up with three secondary colors. And of course, this is due to capillary action. I'll put some more information in the description in case you want to take this further with your kids or whomever you're enjoying this activity with. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all of our future experiments and creations. And I really hope that you continue creating and exploring. Until next time, bye for now.